Hey everyone! Welcome to an awesome guide that'll make your day. I'm just like you. I got the DJI RC-N3, super excited to use it with flight sims, but ran into a big problem. I contacted DJI, and they said, the RC-N3 doesn't work with PCs or sims yet. But here's the cool part. I didn't give up. I searched everywhere, found no answers, so I created a super simple game-changing script to fix it for good. In this video, I'm sharing my solution to help all of you stuck with the same issue. Let's jump in and get your RC-N3 working. First, you'll need this website. It has all you need to fix the DJI RC-N3 connection, and I'll put the link in the description below. Before we open the site and start using the solution, let's quickly look at some common issues DJI RC-N3 users face with flight sim apps like DJI Virtual Flight and Liftoff. Let's fire up Liftoff and check it out together. Alright, we've got Liftoff open now. Let's wait a sec for it to load up. Next, we hit Options. Head to Controls and click on Controller. You'll see the problem right away. The game can't recognize the DJI RC-N3. Don't worry. Let's jump into the solution and fix this. Alright, here's what we need to do first. Head to this website you see right now. It's got everything to solve the DJI RC-N3 issue, and the link is in the description below. You can check out all the details if you want. You'll see super clear instructions there. Make sure to follow every step carefully and don't skip anything to avoid running into problems later. But to keep this video short and sweet, let's jump straight to the step-by-step installation section. First up, the guide says we need to download the required files. Here's how we do it. I'll start by creating a new folder on my desktop called DJI Sim to keep things organized. Back to the website. The first thing we need is DJI Assistant 2, Consumer Drone Series. Click the link, choose the Windows version, download the .zip file, and save it in the DJI Sim folder. Next, the site says to download Python 3.x from the official Python website. Click the link, go to Downloads, pick the latest version, and save it in the DJI Sim folder. One more time back to the site to finish up. The last thing we need is the DJI RC-N3 Simulator from 88.tv. Click the link, and when the save window pops up, store it in the DJI Sim folder. Now we've got all three files ready in our DJI Sim folder. DJI Assistant 2, the latest Python version, and the DJI RC-N3 Simulator. Let's move on. Let's dive into the installation and setup process. Here's what we need to do for DJI Assistant 2, Consumer Drone Series. Open the DJI Sim folder on your desktop. Find the DJI Assistant 2 zip file and unzip it. Once it's unzipped, double-click the .exe file and follow the installation steps until you see the Connect Your Device screen. During this, a command window might pop up. Don't close it until the installation is done. Click Agree. Then enable the first and second options and select Consider Later. You'll land on the Connect Your Device screen. Plug your DJI RC-N3 into your PC using the Type-C cable. I'm connecting mine now. Turn on the RC-N3 with a short press, then a long press, and wait for the DJI icon to appear. Click it and wait for the firmware list to show up. If no updates are needed, move to the next step. If updates are available, go ahead and update your RC-N3 to the latest firmware. My device is already on the latest version, so I'm good. But if you see updates, make sure to install them. Finally, close DJI Assistant 2. Let's move on to the next step. Installing Python. Here's what to do. Find the python.exe file in your DJI Sim folder and double-click it to start. Super important alert! Before you hit Install Now, make sure you check both boxes. Use admin privileges when installing py.exe and add python.exe to path. If you skip these, the program won't work right. Once those boxes are checked, click Install Now and wait for Python to install. When it's done, click Close. Next up, open PowerShell as an administrator. Click the Start menu, type PowerShell in the search bar, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. This will open PowerShell. Now, we need to install the required libraries. Copy this code, paste it into PowerShell, and hit Enter. Everything good? No errors? No issues? Awesome. Let's jump to the next step. Here we go with the next step. Extract the DJI RC-N3 Simulator zip folder, the one we downloaded from 88.tv, and keep it in the DJI Sim folder. The guide says to move it to an easily accessible spot since you'll need this file every time you use the device. So, I'm moving mine to the desktop for quick access. Next, it says to connect your controller to your PC using the bottom Type-C connector. My RC-N3 is already plugged in from the first step, so I'm good. Now, double-click the DJI RC-N3 Simulator.py file and wait for the connected message to pop up. The connected message is here. Now we're at a key step. Let's make sure everything works by testing the controller. The guide gives us two ways to do this, either through the terminal or manually by pressing Win-Jiamon-R and following the instructions. But we're going with the terminal since it's faster and easier. First, super important, keep the terminal open at all times. If you close it, you'll lose the connection to the RC-N3. Got it? Always keep it running. Let's wait a moment for the device to connect. All right, to test if the controller is working, what do we do? The guide says to press 1 and enter. Let's do it. The game controller's window just popped up. The guide says to make sure it's not empty, and the status shows OK. Yes, it's not empty. It shows controller, Xbox 360 for Windows, with status OK. Next, click Properties, and it opens the test window. Now, I'm moving the RC-N3 sticks, starting with the left stick for yaw. Look at that. The crosshair, yaw on, is moving in the box. Then, I move the right stick for throttle, and that part's moving too. Everything looks perfect. Now, let's hit OK, then OK again to close the window. Keep the terminal open, and let's open Liftoff to test it out.